Welcome all of you to the online classes of biology. So, children, we were studying chapter 5, the fundamental unit of life, and we have seen about nucleus, cytoplasm, plasma membrane, etc. Isn't it? Now, we are going to study about various cell organelles. Okay, so I told you in the previous class that the cell is made up of various small components or smaller units. These units, which are needed for doing different functions, are called organelles. Okay, so we'll be studying different organelles one by one in the next classes. Okay, so I have also explained you about the nucleus, its structure, and based on the complexity of nucleus, cells are of two types. What are they? Prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Okay, so difference also we have discussed. So let's directly go to the cell organelles. Okay, so cell organelles, I told, they are the smaller units of cells which are what needed for doing different functions. Okay, different functions they are doing. So some examples of the cell organelles are, okay, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies or Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, mitochondria, plastids, etc. Okay, so these are what? Cell organelles, where you can see them in the cytoplasm. Understood? And nucleus will be also there. Understood? Cytoplasm and nucleus constitute what? Protoplasm, isn't it? I told. So in the cytoplasm, all the cell organelles are placed. Understood? Then, so the first one that we are going to study is endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, what is it? Endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum you can see as a network of membrane bound tubes and sheets. Okay, so as membranous tubes or sheets we can see them. Okay, and it will be looking like long tubules or round bags. Okay, so that is the physical appearance. Then I told it's a membranous structure, and this is similar to the plasma membrane. Okay, and there are two different types of ER, that is RER and SER. Okay, what is it? RER and SER, endoplasmic reticulum. I told how it looks as they are membranous structures only, and they are looking like what? Tubes and sheets or bags. Understood? And they are of two types. What are they? RER and SER. Okay, so RER means rough endoplasmic reticulum, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum is the SER. Okay, so RER, why it got the name? Because of a special type of organelles called ribosomes attached to it. Okay, so RER is what looking rough under a what microscope because of what ribosomes. Understand? And SER is not having any ribosomes associated with that. Okay, so the ribosomes, okay, which are present or which are present along with the RER is the site of protein manufacture. Okay, protein synthesis is taking place in the ribosomes associated with the RER. Is it clear? This is an animal cell, and you can see the RER and SER here. See, just near to the, okay, what, the nuclear membrane, as extension of nuclear membrane, you can see. Okay, this is you can see ribosomes attached to it as pods. Okay, so this is RER, and you can see SER here. Okay, smooth endoplasmic reticulum near to the nucleus only. Okay, as sheets or tubes you can see. So I told the RER, which is associated with ribosomes. They are the site of protein synthesis, and there are what SER. SER's main function is it's a site of manufacture of fat molecules. Okay, or lipids, and fats are synthesized where? In SER. Okay, or they help in the manufacture of fats and lipids. Okay, and this fats and lipids, proteins, lipids, etc. are needed for the synthesis of membrane. We told, isn't it? We have seen that membrane structure, isn't it? That is mainly made up of what? Lipids and proteins. So these are needed for the synthesis of membrane, and the process, that process, okay, is known as formation of new membrane, understood, is called membrane biogenesis. Okay, biogenesis, membrane biogenesis. And some proteins, lipids, etc., they are used as enzymes, hormones, etc., understood. So RER is of two types. What are they? They are SCR and RER. SCR, they are they help in the manufacture of fat molecules, lipids, etc. And RER, they are associated with ribosomes, and they are the site of protein synthesis. So the protein formed inside this is distributed to different parts of the cell also by the endoplasmic reticulum. And SCR, they help in the synthesis of what? Fat molecules and lipids, and they are what? Helping in membrane biogenesis. And this proteins and lipids or fats, okay, produced by this endoplasmic reticulum, they functions as enzymes and hormones. So overall, if you see the functions of the endoplasmic reticulum, okay, so they are having different functions. Like, first is, they help in the channels, they act as the channels for the transport of materials between various regions of cytoplasm. Okay, so in between the cell, okay, to one place from one place to another place, or between the cytoplasm and the nucleus, they act as the channels, okay, for the transport. Then they also help, or they are functioning as the cytoplasmic framework. Okay, they give strength to the cell, understood. And in liver cells, SCR also helps in detoxifying many poisonous drugs. If any chemical or toxic substances enter into the body, so liver is playing an important role, and especially what? SCR. Okay, SCR present in the liver cells, they are helping in the detoxification. Okay, so the manufacture of fats and fats or lipids and proteins, and their transport, understood. Then they forms the cellular framework, they help in the detoxification of what? Poisonous substances in liver. Okay, SCR, especially SCR present in the liver, help in the detoxification of poisonous substance. So understood about ER, where they are located, how they look, okay, and what are their types and what are their functions. Next organelle, that is Golgi apparatus. Okay, Golgi apparatus, and it was first described by Camillo Golgi. Okay, Camillo Golgi, a scientist called Camillo Golgi, has described it. And these are also membranous structures only, means made up of membranes only, and they are flattened sacs. Okay, or bound membrane bound vesicles or flattened sacs, means they are what? Physically they appear as flattened sac like structures which are arranged parallel to each other and form what? Cisterns. What are they? Cisterns. Okay, when this sacs of, or flattened sacs of Golgi apparatus, when they are arranged parallel to each other, they form the cisterns. Okay, and they are actually having connection with endoplasmic reticulum, and they are forming what? A part of cellular membranous system. Okay, they are made up of membranes, I told. Okay, so along with ER, they also form the what's part of cellular membrane system. So what are the main functions, or where you can find this? See, this is a plant cell, and you can see here. Okay, just see here, Golgi apparatus. They are arranged parallel to each other, isn't it? Here three what? Membranous flat sac-like structures are shown, and they are arranged parallel to each other, and which is near to the endoplasmic reticulum. You can see here RER and SCR. Okay, so near to them they are arranged. Is it clear? So what are their functions? Major function of them are packaging and dispatching of various materials produced near to the ER. Okay, that is to send the materials between different parts of the cell along with ER. They helps. Okay. Then next function is, so first function is what? Packaging and dispatching of various substances synthesized by ER, okay, to different parts of the cell and also to outside the cell. Okay, then second function is it helps in the storage, modification and packaging of products, okay, which are produced in the ER. They will be stored, or sometimes it will be modified, sometimes it will be packed so that it can be sent outside. Some of the materials we have studied, plasma membrane is a selectively permeable membrane, it isn't it? So it will not allow the movement of all molecules across it. So some molecule has to be packed so that it can be past the plasma membrane. So these functions they do. Okay, then next function is what? Complex sugars are formed from simple sugars in Golgi apparatus. Okay, and they also help in the formation of lysosomes, that is another cell organelle. Understood? So which organelle is associated with the formation of lysosomes? Golgi apparatus. Is it clear? So these are what? Various functions of what? Golgi apparatus. Okay, so don't get confused with the functions of what ER and Golgi apparatus. Is it clear? Actually, Golgi apparatus is seen near to the ER and they help, okay, in the packaging, storage and modification of materials produced by the ER. Okay, then it helps in the the formation of complex sugars from simple sugars and also help in the formation of lysosomes. Clear? They help in the packaging and dispatching of materials between the cells, means inside the cell or to the outside. Is it clear? The next cell organelle that we have to study is the lysosomes. Okay, so these are also membrane bound sacs filled with digestive enzymes. So they are membranous structures in which what is there? Enzymes. Okay, and these enzymes are formed by RER. Okay, and these are concerned with the cleaning of the cell by digesting any foreign material, and also worn out cell means which are already also whose function is already over. Understood? And then if any foreign material is entering into the cell like bacteria or any other substances, okay, they help in the breaking down of this materials into similar forms. Okay, so these functions are possible due to certain enzymes present inside the lysosome. Strong hydrolytic enzymes are there. Understood? And if any disturbance happens in the cellular metabolism, so what will happen? The lysosomes, or sometimes the cell get damaged, or if it is getting infected, lysosomes contains what I told? Digestive enzymes. So they themselves burst out and digest their own cells, and that's what lysosomes are called suicide bags. Okay, so what are suicide bags? Lysosomes are called suicide bags. Why they are called suicide bags? Because they contain powerful digestive enzymes or hydrolytic enzymes. If the cell is damaged or infected, what will happen? The lysosome may burst by itself and digest their own cell, and because of this only it is known as what? The suicide bags. So today we have studied about three different organelles. What are they? Endoplasmic reticulum, second Golgi apparatus, and third is lysosomes. So you have to learn about all this, okay, and their functions, and you have to identify this different organelles with their functions. Hope this is very clear to you. Thank you.